Hi, what's up? It's Aneta Volcano here from anetavolcano.com. I'm a singer, songwriter, music producer, YouTuber. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create your own thumbnail for YouTube using Canva. So here we go. Alright, so let's get cracking. So I'm in Canva. To go there, you basically go to Google and you type in canva.com. It will take you here. So you basically type in YouTube thumbnail. Once you put YouTube thumbnail, already comes up. Then you're on this page. So what you've got here is you've got templates, photos, elements, text, background, uploads. First of all, you have to pick a template. So you go through all these choices you've got and pick whatever you like. I go for the first one. It doesn't matter. You have to delete everything anyway because I want to make it my own. And then I choose the background. You can pick any color you want here from these options. You've got some patterns here as well. And these are all for free. Some of them you have to pay. I'll just go for blue because I like it. Then I go for photos, or no, sorry, I go to uploads usually because I usually upload a picture. Yeah, so you go to upload an image and you can pick your image, whichever image you like, and then click open. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to just go to photos and click on, let's say, the lady sitting on the beach. Lovely beach. I'm going to put it right there. Change the size slightly, or maybe like that. I want to cut the side. Okay, bring it to the right. And then you've got different options here as well. You've got filter. Different filters you can apply. Yeah, whatever you like. Drama is nice. And you can change the intensity as well. You can make it maybe darker. Yeah, this one's fine. You can crop the picture. I think it's self-explanatory. Flip, position, play with these options here. You've got transparency. You can change different transparency. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. And then again, position. It's basically, you know, whether middle, bottom, top. I'll leave it there in the middle. Okay, and then you would go for text and add a heading. So I want to, let's say, write, this is my video, whatever you are doing. Yeah, and then you can change the font. On the left, you've got lots of choices. And then you can change the size, make it big, obviously, and attracting, make it bold. Change the color if you like of the font. You can add a color here, go here, and then press the plus, and then you can pick a different color and then add it. That could be an option as well for you. Then what you want to do is maybe add another text, either subheading or heading, or one of those that are available. I just go for a heading again and click and type in enjoy. Move it to the bottom. Change the size as well. It's up to you what you want to do with it. Then you can add some elements. For example, I've got some here. Different elements like YouTube arrow or play button, camera. You've got grids, charts, frames, shapes, lots of different things. As I said, not all of them are for free. A lot of them actually you have to pay for them. So, but you know, you've got some options there for free as well. If you are looking for something, you can type in here. For example, you are looking for the picture of a guitar. Click guitar, and some pictures will come up. Yeah, these are for free. These are not for free, obviously. Quite nice. Pick whatever you like. This picture. Enjoy. And you know, add something here. I can go back to my YouTube icon. Where is it? YouTube. One. Resize. In there. That's really bright. Red and blue. Okay, and just play with this. You can let your creativity flow. Pictures, you've got photos. Again, you can type in whatever you like, whatever you need. Once you're happy with your thumbnail and the way it looks, you go to download and PNG, download as PNG, click download. And after that, it's going to come up here in the left bottom corner of your screen, and it's ready for you to upload on your YouTube video. So that's how simple it is. You can also use Canva. If you go back to home, you can use Canva for other things. It doesn't have to be YouTube thumbnail, but type in here, let's say Instagram post, yeah, and you've got the correct sizes. You can do Facebook post, right? You've got options here. You can do logos, flyers, and so on. Some banners, double N. Yeah, SoundCloud banner, for example. So it's quite useful, actually. Quite useful, and very easy as well. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye.